Hey guys, welcome to AdGeekStore. In this video, I will be teaching you how to add a 3D effect to your text using Adobe Photoshop. So though it will work with any version of Adobe Photoshop, I would be demonstrating my tutorial on Adobe Photoshop CS6. So basically, if you have this text, I will be teaching you how to convert it into somewhat like this. So the first step is to head on to Photoshop. So once you open Photoshop, what you have to do is you have to open a new document by clicking on File. After that, click on New. You can even use a shortcut Ctrl+N for this. So once you click over here, what you have to do is you have to name it as anything you want. I would be naming it as AdGeekStore, and you can set the width and height to whatever you want, and resolution, same goes for the resolution. So once you have done all that, you have to press OK. So after that, you have to go onto the text tool. So it already has been selected. So after that, just click on the background and enter your text. You can use any font for this, but I'm using Impact for this. So type in your text. Once you have selected the text tool, I would be entering ADGS, and after that drag it to the center or wherever you want. I am dragging it to the center. So after that, what you have to do is you have to click away. So after that, you have to select the text layer you have created and you have to right click on it and click on convert to shape. So once you do this, what this does is it creates your text into a shape kind of thing. So after that, once you have done that, make sure that your text layer has been selected, and after that go on to edit and go on to transform path, and after that you have to select perspective. So once you have done that, you have to go on to the bottom right corner box on your text, and you have to drag it down so that it gets the text like forward. So yeah, a little bit more. Yeah. So once you've done it, what you have to do is you just have to click on enter, and after that, once you've done this, click on the cursor tool over here or the move tool. So after that, make sure that ADGS has been selected and you have to duplicate this layer. You can either do that by clicking on it and click on duplicate layer, but I would be using the shortcut Ctrl+J because it does it faster. So just click on Ctrl+J, and once you have done that, hold Control and move your text a little bit further. So just keep on repeating this step for about 4 to 5 times. Ctrl+J, Control and drag it, Ctrl+J, Control and drag it. So I have duplicated this layer for about 5 times. So once you have done it, what you have to do is just click away. So now what you have to do is you have to click on shift and you have to click on these layers, except for the first layer that you created, the original layer. You have to click on shift and click on all the other layers. 1 copy, 4 copy, 3 copy, 2 copy. So once you have selected all these layers together, what you have to do is you have to right click on them, and after that you have to click on merge shapes. So what this does is it creates one layer for all these shapes together. So what you have to do is you have to drag this ADGS layer with the original layer up over here. So once you have done that, what you have to do is to add a color to this or a texture effect. Double click over here and go on to, I would be giving it a wooden texture. Go on to pattern overlay and here, and if you don't know how to give you have to set your default image as a pattern overlay. I will provide a link in this description by which you can learn how to do that, and I'll just be clicking on OK. And to color this black thing, this 3D bezel or whatever, click over here, double click, and go on to color overlay and select the text as I'll be giving it a reddish brown color, and after that just click on OK. So once you've done that, just again click on the main layer or the main text layer that you had created. So you can see that this 3D text has been created. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.